today, guys, I'll be stealing food. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be stealing food. Let's go. So let's go. What? Yes, I can touch. Yes, stop. Give me food. Give me food. Wait, 6, 7? Let's see if she has voice chat. Watch. There you go. Does she have? Does she have? Let's see. Oh yes. Can I have can I have free food? Ma'am? I'm gonna answer me. I'm angry now. Oh my goodness, thank you very much. Can I have like everything? Like, give me everything. I said give me everything. I said give me everything. You can hear me, right? Yes, give me everything. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, give me everything. Yeah. Yep. That's amazing. Give me every food. Yum. Yes. Thank you. Well, you mind giving me more food? I really need lots of food. Okay? Okay, I need lots of food. Thank you very much. You cannot have anything on my food. This is my food. Okay? And you better not take them. Because I'ma slap you. Not really slap, but I'ma steal your food. Yes, give me all this chicken. Yes. And you're probably gonna be happy when you see the channel. Yeah. Hold on. Let me do something. Don't eat my food. Okay. Did you just eat my food? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take your food next. Huh? How you feel about that? Yeah. Oh yeah, how you feel about that? These are my food. No chicken left for you. But I'll save you the spicy one because I hate spicy. I can save you one. Oh, never mind. Too late. Okay, thank you very much for the food. I'm gonna go now. So that's the ending of the video. Bye, guys. Oh my goodness.